Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ingredients and how I make my Nigerian buns. Here is my flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, nutmeg and 2 beaten eggs. So I'll bring in a bowl now, add my flour, add my sugar. Let me add my sugar, yeah. Then I will add my salt, nutmeg, baking powder. Then I will mix the dry ingredients together, yeah. No, this is how I make mine. I will mix the dry ingredients together before the wet ingredients. So at this point I will put in my butter, mix together. You can see as I'm mixing now, you can see the flour is changing to another consistency. Yeah, it's changing. You mix to achieve your desires. So here is me now. I keep mixing. I fast forwarded this video because it took me time, because when you make a buns you don't need to be in haste, you don't need to be hurry, you need to do everything calmly so you can achieve your crunchy, sweet and tasty Nigerian buns. So at this point I'll be adding my beaten eggs, mix with this wooden spoon. Continue mixing, sorry guys, continue mixing. Now you can see it's obviously changing. I think this flour is small because I need the buns to be much so it can last me at least for about 5 or 7 days, which is 1 week, because my husband will be taking this to work as snacks as well. So usually it is for breakfast, or when they have a short or distant 10 minutes break at work to keep his mouth busy. Then at this point I'll be adding mine. You can see now it's white. I don't know how I can describe this. So I added flour there because like I said, I want the buns to be much. Yeah. Now I added my evaporated pig milk, mix. Then I'll be adding in another milk. But at this point I added too much. I exaggerated on adding the second milk, so everything got watery. Yeah, let me see. So I have to be adding flour until I achieve the consistency I want. If you want your buns this way, you can leave it, but to me I still want it a bit thickening. So I keep adding flour, adding until I achieve my desired consistency. So I keep adding, as you guys can see. Before the end of this video, I would like to share one thing about myself to you guys. So this is me mixing till I achieve my desire. Then after, I covered and put in the fridge to cool, to chill before frying. Though I didn't cover that part. So guys, before we start frying these buns, I want to say or gist you guys a tip about myself. Me in this life, I have issue with people, which it's normal. We might get each other, we might misunderstood or misunderstand each other. Then we have one flaws or the other from there. But if I have any misunderstanding with anybody, that does not mean if the person need my help, I will not help, except the person did not want to come to me. Even though you're angry with me, if I need your help, I will come to you. I can't keep mute and be dying. That does not mean you are asking for help from your enemy. No, God does not create us that way. So some people, maybe if we have issues and I'm trying to be nice to them, or if they need my help, even though they didn't tell me, if I know, I'll try and be part of their life or to help them. They will be thinking maybe she can't do without them, and she can't keep malice. I can keep malice, of course, I'm very good at that. But if you need my help, I will definitely render. So that's it about me. Let me talk about this. Can you see the buns, guys? Let me talk about the buns before I continue with my gist. Can you see the buns? You see that open, that crack? If I don't see it in buns, I can't eat it. I don't know. So I forgot to mention, if you want your buns to be cracky and crunchy, you need to put in your refrigerator. I mean your fridge. You need to make it cool and chill before you start frying. So let me continue about my gist. So guys, that is it about me. This life is too short. We might get angry with each other, but at least if you have that person help, you can help. And if the person has, he will still help you. Because this life, you keep malice, you will die. You don't keep malice, we will die. So what is it about this life that we're holding strong and tight? So I am not preaching love. I am not preaching peace, but I'm just saying to my own opinion. If I have issue with somebody, if he needs my help, I will definitely do it. I don't give a damn. That does not mean I will now be close to you or be making friends with you. I will just do it for you and lock up. That is me. I will do it and I will not look back, except